Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable voice chat in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Modern Combat 5 application on your device and log in with your account and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're in this game section, go ahead and tap the drop down at the top right corner of the screen, which will then bring up these several menus. Click on the gear button from the menu and this will bring up the settings menu. Click on the audio/GFX button from the menu and from the menu choose the voice chat option and tap on it. Make sure that it is highlighted in yellow and it says on right next to the switch. And after you have this option toggled on, if prompted, give the app permission to access your microphone, and then you can join a multiplayer match or squad room to test your voice chat option. Once the voice chat is enabled, your gameplay takes a step forward from solo action to real-time teamwork. So that is how you enable voice chat feature on Modern Combat 5. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.